Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen, and guess what? I'm back in the chicken box. I'm so happy that Teresa could come down here because I love to talk to y'all and I love to share my little space. And you know, I'm always up for sharing easy, delicious recipes. Today's no different. We're moving into springtime. It's coming so close. I'm so excited. It's been a cold, long winter here. And this salad, sometimes you can associate it with the fall, but I'm also going to call this a spring coleslaw. Look, we're going to use this is the easiest thing in the world, y'all. You got some pre-made coleslaw. If you'd like to chop it up, you could save some money at the house if you want to buy a head of cabbage, buy you a couple of carrots. You can create this for yourself at the house, but this is awful convenient. Apples, you know, we put a lot of apples in salads. In our chicken salad, for ward-off salads, all kinds of things. Apple brings a crisp, bright flavor to something that can be bitter with our cabbage. We've got some walnuts, and then we've got another sweet element coming in, craisins. The dressing is super easy too. Teresa's put all this stuff together for me. We've got mayonnaise. You can use low-fat mayonnaise and yogurt if you'd like. So you can cut down on the few calories that this recipe does have. We've got some honey, and I also have some ground ginger that we're going to use. So look at all these. Think about the honey, the ginger, the cranberries, the walnuts, the apples, and then the coleslaw. All of those flavors coming together in one bowl. This is exciting. Okay, let's just start with mixing our dry ingredients over here. Gonna go, I think this calls for a whole bag, might as well. So if you're seeing this today, you can come down to the chicken box tomorrow and you can get your apple coleslaw for special. Just kidding, it'll be a while before this comes out. Oh, my green onion too. So let's get our nuts in here and our cranberries. Now I'm gonna chop this apple real quick. Take me 2 seconds. This is a pretty good way to do this. I just like to cut around the core. It's not the most uniform way to do it, but old habits die hard. And when I'm cutting an apple for a recipe like this, I kind of always do it the same way. Just watch your fingers. Just about mouth size. Got this handy dandy tool from the Paula Deen store that I use every day. So nice to be able to collect everything off my bench. All right, now let's take some of these green onions. Teresa's cleaned them up so nice for me. I'm going to take a little bit of the white. And then I'm going to come up and get a little bit of our tops. Perfect. Looking good. Okay, so now in this bowl, we're going to take our mayonnaise that we have. Now here in Savannah, when the springtime gets close, everybody's attitude changes. It's so exciting. We know the azaleas are coming soon. St. Patrick's Day is coming soon. All of our visitors from out of town will be here. It's a really exciting time for us downtown. So I'm going to eyeball maybe let me see, what am I supposed to put in there first? 6 tablespoons of honey. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6. Takes a lot of experience to do that, y'all. My ground ginger's going in. This is going to be, I'm going to guess, a thicker dressing. Whips right up. Look at that. So the yogurt really smooths it out. If you make traditional Southern coleslaws, usually you introduce white vinegar at some point. But this yogurt really smoothed that out. So nice. Wow, that is good. Really good. Sorry to sound surprised. This is the first time I've made this recipe. Teresa, my lighting is terrible at the chicken box. So many shadows.
Look, I helped with your microphone. I can't make everything happen in this small space.
I'm thankful for everything that you've done. I didn't think about the chicken box as a studio when I started it, so it is what it is.
We could get a couple spotlights, I'm sure.
Probably the more dim I am, the better it is for all of us. Wow, this is really pretty. I tell you what, I might put this on our menu down here. This would be delicious to sell in little containers.
That's why I picked it. I thought maybe just by chance it would work for you.
Thank you, T. Good thinking. Hey, babe. What, honey? Yeah, 1 second.
Your work never ends.
Never ends. Go answer the phone. Okay, let me try this. Let's see. It doesn't need one thing. Nothing. I thought there's no salt in here. There's no pepper in here. The ginger and the yogurt and the mayonnaise and the honey completely smooths it out, picks it up. What a delicious salad. Y'all, I'm putting this in containers right now, and I'm going to sell this at the chicken box. I'm Jamie Deen. It's a good coleslaw right here, y'all. I'll see you around the kitchen. Thanks.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.